Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going on a fascinating adventure as we explore a unique and charming tourist destination. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our exciting journeys. Let's get started. We find ourselves walking through the picturesque streets of Moosomin, Saskatchewan, after a light snowfall that has covered the town with a white blanket. The snow has given this place a special charm, creating a magical and welcoming atmosphere. Despite the weather, many businesses are operating as usual, demonstrating the resilience and determination of the local community. Now, let me share some interesting facts about Moosomin. This charming town is located in southern Saskatchewan and was founded in 1882. It is situated 20 kilometers west of the provincial boundary between Saskatchewan and Manitoba. Its strategic location has contributed to its popularity as a tourist destination. Moosomin's history is as fascinating as its winter landscapes. Founded during the railway expansion in Canada, the town quickly grew due to its strategic location. Over the years, it has preserved its historical charm, with well-preserved buildings that tell the story of its early days. But why has Moosomin become so popular among tourists? There are several reasons for that. First and foremost, the scenic beauty of the region is stunning, especially after a snowfall like the one we're experiencing today. The snow-covered streets create a picturesque landscape that attracts photographers and nature lovers alike. Furthermore, Moosomin offers an authentic experience of Canadian rural life. Locals are known for their friendliness and hospitality, making visitors feel right at home. Local businesses, despite the weather conditions, continue to operate, providing tourists with the opportunity to explore unique shops and taste delicious local food. Moosomin's strategic location also makes it a convenient meeting point for those traveling between Saskatchewan and Manitoba. Its rich history and welcoming atmosphere draw visitors from all around, making it a must-stop on any itinerary. As we continue our stroll through these beautiful snow-covered streets, I can't help but marvel at the perfect blend of history, culture, and nature that Moosomin offers its visitors. Every corner tells a story, and every step immerses us further into the rich tradition of this charming town. While Moosomin may not be as widely known for large-scale tourist attractions as some major cities, it offers a unique charm and several points of interest that attract visitors. Some of the notable attractions and activities that make Moosomin a popular destination include Moosomin Regional Park. Visitors can enjoy outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and picnicking in the Moosomin Regional Park. The park provides a scenic setting for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful retreat. Heritage buildings. The town boasts well-preserved heritage buildings that showcase its rich history. Exploring these architectural gems can provide insight into Moosomin's past and the role it played in the region's development. Local shops and markets. Moosomin is home to unique local shops and markets where visitors can find handmade crafts, local products, and souvenirs. These establishments contribute to the town's authentic and welcoming atmosphere. Winter activities. The snowy landscapes in winter create opportunities for outdoor winter activities such as snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. The picturesque snow-covered streets add a magical touch to the town. Community events. Moosomin hosts various community events and festivals throughout the year, offering visitors a chance to experience local traditions and engage with the vibrant community. Before we say goodbye, I want to thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure through Moosomin, Saskatchewan. I encourage you to share and comment on this video so that more people can discover the magic of this destination. Until next time, explorers.